So hello everyone, it's Emma again. I know I have taken long minus posting a video on YouTube, but this is just an update since we have begun a new month. Uh, we have begun a new month, that is December, the last month of 2023. Now, you can evaluate your year, how it has been. I know we have been here for more than a year now. It's around 14 months since this YouTube channel was begun. So, um, you can evaluate yourself. If you've been back trading or back testing or journaling your trades, you can know how much you've made, if you've made profit this year or if you've made losses. It's not too late. Everyone has their time. So next year may be yours. So you're supposed to also be setting your goals for next year. And I'm going to break down the chart in a few minutes, the trades we had last week. Now, last week I had 5 trades. I took four wins and 1 loss. That's how transparent I am. And all the trades I took are available in the Telegram channel at Tells of Emma, at Traders Realm. If you haven't checked it out, just check for the link in the description. It will take you straight to that group where you can join in and discuss with different traders, whether Ugandans, whether Kenyans, whether Nigerians. Yeah, so last week was good for me. Now I can't explain the trades I had last week because I deleted everything apart from these 2 lines. I think those are from last week and this other block up here. But it was a good week. I remember I took a loss. That X you see is a loss I took, and I recovered it with this buy that went 100 pips. Now GBP the way it's moving, the last quarter of the year is different. It's moving close to 100 pips per day. 100 pips per day, guys. Right? So look at today. This is already 100 pips, close to 100 pips already today, just today. This was Friday from here to right there, 100 pips. So it seems GBP is moving 100 pips, but the best way to take a trade right now is to wait. Right now, it's like a consolidation, right? To wait for the breakout. If it breaks out below this, that's a good sell, guys. That's a very good sell. That's a very good sell. Look at all this. Of course, the sell has already begun. To me, I think a pullback is going to happen either tomorrow to give us that retest of this trend line for the drop, right? That's how my trading is simplicity. I've been putting up a lot of content, the Telegram channel, and I've been sharing it to other channels. And yeah, you can pick a leaf. Don't just trade blindly. Stop chasing the cheese. You're not a mouse. Stop chasing the market. You're supposed to wait for the market to come to your zone, right? So the reason I'm saying to come back up here is because I see different confluences. Why? I have reasons why. So basically, I won't take that buy from down here because the market continue going down, right? I have to wait for it to come here and I'll be watching how it's moving. So as it comes back here, I have reasons why I should take a trade for it to continue selling. But what happens if it doesn't come back? I can do this. Again, I can do that. So it still has to come back. It will come back to a discount price and I can likely sell from around this area. Again, it depends on the reasons it gives me to take a sell. Depends on the reasons in that place. Guys, I trade reasons. I always trade reasons. Why? Why am I jumping into this trade? Yeah. I always tell you guys, develop a strategy. Develop a strategy that is complete. Gives you an entry, gives you an exit, gives you risk management style, allows you to manage your trades when they're moving, whether in losses, whether in profits. You're supposed to know how to manage. Are you going to close the losses early? Are you going to close the profits early, which is wrong? You're supposed to hold your profits more than you hold your losing trades. Yeah. So this video is not going to be long. Let's just do a top-down analysis. Now, tomorrow, we have a session with the private guys. The guys in the private group. Let's discuss something. I know we've been talking about crypto a lot. That's why crypto is booming, guys. I invested in Grok a few weeks ago and it gave me some good returns. Now Grok is back to its low. You can invest again. Yeah, this is not a session for crypto, but crypto is making me mad money. The profits I get from trading GBPUSD, 10% goes into trading, goes into holding crypto. Yeah. So right now, GBP is back here. Yeah. This area has held a lot of reasons here, 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 and here, right? A lot of reasons. So I'm going to just watch and see the action. The Asian session is coming in a few minutes, and I want to just see how the market is going to react. Should it break below this, I'll be looking for like a retest here, since this is a rectangle. And I'll take the length of between here, the height, and I'll just draw the same. Now the market is moving 100 pips, so I don't expect it to drop further down like at once. I have to get a discount price. I have to get a discount price. That's how I trade. You may see my chart is disorganized, but guys, it's not about that. It's about making money. Now, I relate GBPUSD with the DXY, right? So the DXY today, I sent a reason out in the groups I sent it to, and I was like, okay, I'm waiting for the dollar to either get weak and drop below this. And if it was to drop below this, I wasn't looking for it to drop for too long because I had marked out what we call harmonics. The market was here, right? Yes, it was here. So I was looking for a D at around this line to take the buy, but the market hasn't come back there. It didn't come back there, and it's not going to come back here. So what do I do? Right? What do I do? So currently, I'm looking for that retracement. The DXY is at an order block. It can still give me a cipher, right? Maybe it can give me a cipher there. Very nice cipher. Is that a cipher or something? It can give me that. It can give me that sell as a retracement for GBPUSD. It can. And I'll be there. I'll be there waiting to. This will be a buy on the XY. So meaning I'll be selling GBPUSD. Now, at times, if I don't get the right reasons why, and sorry about this, guys, I won't pay for this because I don't need those tools. But for those who need them, you can pay for that. Now, if it, I have so many reasons why. If I don't find a good, or I don't find reasons at why I should take, I can't say anything on the XY. I'm going to analyze Euro USD. Now, Euro USD, if you flip it upside down and come here and compare, we're going to compare and bring in our Euro USD. You can see that it's the inverse of the DXY. Look at that. Just look at that. It's the inverse. So at times, if I can't analyze the DXY well, I go to Euro USD and I analyze Euro USD. That's how I do it. Right? It's just the inverse. So I'm looking at action to be there. I'm waiting for action to be there here. Let's see if we have a slight divergence there. Confirm trust as myself. Let's see from here to here. I'm not seeing a nice divergency. There are styles of divergences. I know there are types of divergences, but there are some I want to see. Okay, this is kinda, but I'll always look at the 15. Let's look at the 15-minute time frame. Now, the 15-minute time frame, I'm going to consider these recent divergences. If one is there, I'll be able to take that trade, and I can see one is there. So I want to see the dollar drop. I'm not going to jump it from here. No way. I want to see it drop to around these areas, to around here or here, right? For me to make a decision on on GBPUSD. Guys, I trade simplicity, guys, simplicity. This market is supposed to be pushing upward. So we're looking, it already provided us here with a change of character. Is it a coach or something? Yeah, so this would be a nice break and retest to continue upward, right? Because it gave us that divergence here. Give us that divergence here already. On lower time frames, you can find a smaller divergence around here. Yeah, so guys, thank you for watching this video. I'll be dropping more nuggets in the if you want more nuggets, just join our Telegram channel, the Telegram group. There are two. There's the Telegram channel and there's the Telegram group. That's where you'll find different traders and you'll be able to discuss with them different purposes of trading, whether it's crypto, as long as it brings in that good money from any financial instrument, we're going to discuss it. Like right now, to invest in all these cryptos, I've been analyzing them. I don't just invest. Now you see Grok has been going down, but I have my smooth analysis on Grok. And that's the reason I'm still holding it, right? So you're supposed to know this. That's the reason I'm still holding Grok right now. And it has been respecting my analysis a lot. So for me to buy Grok again, let me ask you, for me to buy Grok again, I'm waiting for it to break above this, give me a retest, break above this, give me a retest. Now buy from here, because there's a psychological level there. That's where I'll buy from to the upside. Yeah, so I'm watching other cryptos like Worldcoin. You can see Worldcoin respected that trend line with ease. That's it, baby. Just right there. So right now, some people get confused and be like, okay, where should I buy or sell? Because here it has bounced off. Should I buy or sell? Yeah, can know that analysis. Just do analysis, right? Do analysis. That's how trading is. You can trade anything, commodities, anything, guys, anything. You can do it. Can do it. So I trade crypto. I don't trade like leverage trading, but I just see where to invest in. I see where to invest in, right? I see where to invest in. I don't just go blindly. I keep analyzing it. So this one, paper seems it's going to keep shooting up. So you're supposed to do your analysis as you a trader, good trader, right? The analysis. So thank you guys for being on this call. See you on the next. Join the Telegram community. Let us connect, guys. Thank you for being here. Have a great one.